Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Long time no see. I'm back. I'm sorry. I have a great video for you guys today. I have Peter, my mattress prince. He has an amazing question for us. What do we got here? Holy cow.
Hey King, I just bought this mattress, or at least I think it's a mattress. It doesn't really look like a mattress though.
It does look like a
What's the difference between this and say like one of these standard mattresses?
Well, the amazing thing here is that this mattress and this mattress in the bag are the exact same model. So this mattress actually comes bagged. Bed in a box, you've probably heard of, or bed in a bag, was coined by a new industry. Casper, Lisa, Tufton, Needle, Nectar, all those great mattress companies have designed what's called a bed in a box. They stormed the industry, they gave great comfort guarantees, and they also packaged them in a box so that they're UPSable. So we can actually buy these mattresses here in the retail location, bed in a bag, bed in a box, and we can actually compact them, ship them like this across the nation to our customers. Or the great benefit is the customer is in a pinch, needs to pick up a mattress now, they can come to our store and they can actually pick up this mattress as it is in this bag.
So this mattress in this bag here is essentially the same thing as this mattress.
Exact same thing. So one of the biggest differences between bed in a box, the industry, bed in a box and retail, bed in a box was typically just sold online. So you could go online, buy it, click it, add to cart, ship to your doorstep. Now they're partnering, Casper partnered with Target, Whirlpool, Denver Mattress Company, Nectar, American Furniture Warehouse. They're now partnering with brick and mortar companies like us. And that's one of the biggest differences between the bed in a box industry and the retail industry. But another thing is most mattresses on our floor nowadays can be boxed or bagged, with the exception of some of our more luxurious mattresses. Tempur-Pedic, Stearns & Foster. Those are really dense materials. You can't really compress and roll pack a Tempur-Pedic because it's some of the best foam technology in the industry, and it's pretty much impossible to compress and roll pack that. It'll probably explode unless you had, like, I don't know, metal encasement to bag these mattresses.
But this I can fit in my car though. We've done another video on that where this actually fits in my car.
You're absolutely right. You can fit it right in the back seat of your car and take it home. You'll actually unbag it and it'll expand like this. You can sleep on it in the same night. So we're going to do a little demonstration. We're going to open up this outside bag. We're not going to take it out of the bag entirely. You can obviously see that this is the same mattress, but we're going to take it off and show you how or why this is bagged. So we're going to speed this part up really quick.
That's pretty cool, Bodie.
So this is actually quicker than we thought it would be. One thing you'll notice, side to side, this is actually a full, so it doesn't actually come compressed this way. We just had a full in the back, so we opened up a full mattress. This is a queen, that's why it looks a little smaller. But as you can see, same border colors. Eventually it'll come to its full shape, which will be 8 inches. Usually they say give it about 24 hours to get it to its full state. But in most cases, in probably 8 hours, you'll see this looking like this mattress right here. So one of the coolest things about this, obviously, is that, like, if you have kids that are going to college, one of the biggest things that I've noticed is you live in Colorado, you're shipping your kid out of state, you can buy this mattress, ship it to them straight to their dorm, straight to their doorstep. It's in a bag, it's compressed. You don't have to worry about moving it when you're moving across state. So if you guys have any other questions on the bed in a box industry or the retail industry, please put comments in the section, and we'll answer them at the next Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next week.